mustard, potato, bell pepper, French toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread egg recipes and one of the most unique of the bread recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes and one of the most nutritious of the potato recipes and one of the most different of the bell pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes. Today we're going to make mustard, potato, bell pepper, French toast sandwich. The ingredients are around 100 grams of potato, peeled and cut into pieces. One red capsicum or bell pepper, cut into small pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 15 grams of clarified butter. Put in capsicum and bell pepper. Put in salt to taste. Put in potato pieces. Sauce already. Put in a spoon of mustard paste. Thoroughly mix. Put in half a spoon of mixture spices. Mix. Mix. Pour in 100 ml of water and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 8 to 10 minutes. After cooking for the required time, mash the potatoes along with the capsicum. Thoroughly mash so as to make a paste. Take 4 slices of bread. Now take 1 slice. Now apply the potato bell pepper mixture onto the bread. Now put another slice on top, press. Take potatoes and arrange it over the next slice so as to make another sandwich. Now cut through the middle so as to make 2 triangular halves. Cut diagonally. Now break in 2 eggs into the bowl. Now put in salt to taste. Thoroughly mix the white and the yellow portions together. To make a smooth, thick mixture. Now heat the pan and pour in 10 to 15 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Let the oil get heated. Dip the bread sandwich into the egg mixture and put it into the pan and move it around. Move the sandwich around in the pan. Keep on moving it around. Now turn it over. Now turn it over. Now the sandwich can be taken off the pan and onto the plate. Now put in the next sandwich into the mixture and put it onto the pan. And keep on moving it around in the pan. Turn it over after 30 seconds. Do this until all the sandwiches are made. This is the final. Mustard, potato, bell pepper, French toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the French toast recipes and one of the most nutritious of the breakfast recipes and one of the most delicious of the sandwich recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bread recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.